Welcome back to these silly little vlogs that I've been making. Looks like it's slightly crooked. I just spent 9 days in Italy, and so this is a vlog from the past couple days, some things that I did. I will say most of the time I just did a lot of chilling around, reading a lot of books, but saw some really cool stuff. I haven't brushed my hair since I woke up or put on makeup because ain't nobody got time for that, but I did shower, so it's an infestor. Anyway. I just pulled an all-nighter and I'm working on a while, so the fact that I look like absolutely fun thing about new countries and public transport. Sometimes you have no idea what you're doing. I have a little timetable. Somebody just came by and scanned my ticket, so I think I'm in the right place. Thankfully, people tend to be pretty helpful, so I had an app to look at timetables, but then I ended up just going in and asking them what the best times would be because it actually was different because I was leaving from a different terminal. Anyway, don't be afraid to ask me about it. I thought my retainer, oh my god, my voice. Sometimes travel things are fun. Sometimes waking up really early to do things. This is my little floor bed. I'm staying with a friend. It's a very tiny spot. That's the kitchen over there. But the view is worth it. I like the balcony. But anyway, we're doing a farmer's market and stuff this morning. And I'm tired. On the way to Monaco. Vai sul sito trenitalia.com o recati nelle nostre biglietterie. No, okay. We go through tunnel. So I should probably get off the beach before I burn. Excuse you. Hello? Okay. We're in Monaco and found a little rocky beach. I love the ocean. classic style. I have made videos, but I didn't talk it all, so I don't know. So we walked through Royal Gardens. We're gonna go through the Royal Palace here in a second. But it's so cool. Look at, they're pointy. Is this part? Good morning. It's pouring. I don't know if you're gonna be able to hear me well, but so I had plans to fly out, not today, but tomorrow morning to go to Stockholm, and then the next morning I was gonna go to Finland. But the person I was gonna stay with is, I don't want to give away personal details, but not doing very well, so I don't know what I'm doing now. This trip has been like one thing after another. I've now got to my friend's place in Sweden. I've stolen this elvish hoodie that looks so cool. I want it. But anywho, don't know if I'm going to be doing anything too exciting here. Kind of like chilling for a week or so before I end up going to TwitchCon, and then I have some fun travel videos to share with you guys then. So stay tuned, like, subscribe, all that fancy stuff. I'll catch you guys later.